What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're just gonna cover My Only One by Sebastian Yatra, and we have featuring Isabella something. Don't remember her name. Never mind. Let's get started. This song I'm just gonna show you how to play. In this video, sorry, I'm just gonna show you how to play that song entirely. All the guitar parts we have over there. So the tabs which I'm just going to provide you, there will be a lot of tabs in the song. This it's actually related to no capo. So just for the just remove the capo for that time. But after that, when you find like you're not able to play this part, you can just skip to that part where I'm just going to show you open chord shapes with the capo on the first fret and how to play that. So that's something else. But we have some main parts over here which is related to zero capo on zero fret. So let's get started. Just have a look at the structure. We have the intro, we have the verse, we have the chorus. So mainly don't deal with that. We have what part we have. We have the intro where we just got this part, where we have this difference, and we have the verse where Sebastian sings. Is actually this part. And the part where the Isabella sings is like it's a bit different, just adding an extra note. So it's just a little bit different. So I'm just gonna show you everything. So firstly, just put the capo on the first fret. I'm just gonna cover the shapes very quickly. First shape with the capo on the first fret is the F major 1 3 3 2 1 1, C major mute 3 2 0 1 0, D minor mute 0 2 3 1. And then we have a B flat which is mute 3 3 3 1. If you face any problem in the chords, just let me know in the comment below. So we have this chord without the capo will be a F sharp major, then a D sharp minor, then a B major, and then a C sharp. So that's the chord out. So we got all the chord shapes. Now we're just gonna look at this part, the intro. We're just gonna start off. Just have a closer look at the tab. Now, firstly, before that, just have a look at my right hand for a second. We see we actually use my index finger to play the A string or the E string, the bass note located wherever it may be, and then I use my ring finger to play the E string, and I use my middle finger to play the B string. That's how I just play. Now you can have a pick in your hand and play. So it's up to you how you just want to play with the pick. It actually sounds a lot more harder. So it depends on you how you just want your vibe. So you can just use your fingers, or you can just have a pick in your hand, and with that you're actually using your fingers also to pick. So you can use either of your fingers you want, whatever you find it easy, but that's not what we're just going to deal with right now. Just have a look at the tab. Here is a very close look. We'll start off, which is actually a F sharp shape with F sharp minor. We just have 9 fret, see the fingers, 9 fret, and we have 11 fret with the pinky. We play 9 9 9 9 on the A and E, then 9 11 on the A and the B string. Now we play, and then you just keep your hand on the string to get everything metered. So it's like this. Or you can even do the stuff with your left fingers, but what the heck I'm saying, with your left hand. It depends upon you, but make sure that you actually made this note. We are playing this 2 times. Then you move on to the shape where we play 6 fret on the A and the B string. So make sure you mute every note. So tan tan, not like tan, it's like tan tan. So after you play 6 6 on the A and B, you will just play 6 and 7 again. And we have this one. We'll play 2nd fret on the A string, 6th fret on the G string, and with no hesitation, you're just gonna move on back 2 frets, which will be a 2 on the A string and G string 4th fret. So da, da, so da, da. So no pause, just da, da, da. So 1 2. It's like a chromatic scale. Da, da, da. So we're just gonna play that. So da, da. Remove your ring finger off and play the 3rd fret on the G string and play the 2nd fret on the A string together. So play together. I'm going a bit fast, I agree, but you have the tab. Then we place this finger over here, which is actually the F shape. We play one F sharp shape, which we play second fret on the E string and third fret on the D string. So we play dan, dan. So 2 3, and then we add a ring finger over here on the A string. Sorry, on the D string. So dan, 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 dan. We play 3 times. Dan, 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 dan. So all the way from this part will sound something like this. So from the beginning, if I just gonna play it very slowly, just have a look. 1 2 3 4. Now we're just gonna move on to the next part, which will be our verse, where we have the male voice. So in this part, it's like 1 2 and 3 and 4 and. So make sure, again I'm telling you guys, just after you pick the strings, just keep your hand on the string to get everything we did. So we are playing 9 fret on the A string, 11 fret on the B string. We're playing 1 and. So we play 1 and rest, 1 and. So make sure that you have a rest in between. So 1 and 1 and. Once more. So we play it together. We play this notes 4 times. 2 3. Then we come over here, we have the A string, 6th fret, B string, 7th fret. We played again 4 times in a similar way, exact pattern. And then we play this shape. We come to a B flat, a B major. We play 2nd fret on the A string, 4th fret on the B string. So we play just 2 times, 2 4, 2 4. Then you come over here, which will be a 4 on the A and 6 on the B. So dun, 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 dun. And then you have we do a hammer round from 4 to 6. Then play 4th fret. Then 7th fret. Sorry, 4. So 4 6 4. Then 4 6, sorry. So we play 4. So 4 to 6. Then you play 4th fret on the E string, 7th fret on the B string. So then you play 6 7, 6 on the B string, 7 on the B string, then 6 on the G string. So we got. So once more. From the beginning. Sorry. And the next part, the female part we have, it's actually a lot similar. Now we just have the E string over there. And notice that some of the parts they actually add the E string, and some parts they actually again play like the normal part we just did before. But I like to add another note in this part. So see what I'm doing? I'm playing the notes which we played before in the intro. We are playing the 9th fret on the E string. So we just add another note in the chord shape which we already have. So we play the A string, A9, B11, and 9 on the G, and 9 on the E string, and we do the same pattern. And then just move on to the shape. We have the same thing. We just get everything barred with the index finger. We have the 6th fret over here. or you can just play like this. It's a nice shape, but it looks like a D shape. So, and then you will play again. We have a bar which is second on the A string, second on the E string. Now this is completely optional. You can just play A string and B string, but just to add another, it just adds a more flavor. So, and then you do the same thing over here. Add another note over here, which is a 4th fret on the E string, and repeat the exact lick you just learned before. And instead of going to da da da, so we have da da da. Instead of just going over there, you're just gonna play da da da, 6 7 7. So we did before 6 7 6 on the G string, 6 7 6. But no, over here we have 6 7 7. So I'm just gonna play one more time very slowly. See, I play the A string, B string, and E string. We have a slide, like this is completely optional, but we have a slide from, when we just come to the shape, the second, 4th, second, we just have a slide from 4th fret to over here. So we come. And then we move on to the chorus, and we have a different, we just play. So you can just go with this part for the next chorus as well. And if you notice, we have for the chorus we have some of the parts like when they just proceed to the next chord. I'm just gonna break down. We have 5, we have 6 4 on the G string, 6 4. So when a male voice comes, we have 6 4 on the G string. Just take this 6 4 on the G string, then 6 4 on the E string when the female voice comes. So this is like some note which they add while playing the chord shapes, like this. It's a lot similar over here. That's it. And then we have for the chorus we have another lick which is exactly same as this. Instead of doing this, we'll do we'll do a hammer on from 4 to 6. So 4 to 6, then 6, then 4 4. So yeah. Now that's it, and now we're just gonna move on to our string part, which is a lot easy. We have the chord progression: F major, C major, D minor, B flat. And I'll just have a look at my right hand for the string pattern. For every chord, we go down, up, then keep your hand on the string, then down. So we have down, up, down. So down, up, then I just keep my hand on the string and I do down. That's it, and we're just gonna play this once for each chord, and it will sound something like this. That's it. There's not to worry about. I'm actually a bit fast, just run a bit fast in this lesson, but that's not a big problem. You guys can actually figure it out by seeing how looking at the tab. But if you still have any problem, how many problems you have, just let me know in the comment below. I'm there to help you out. I'm actually in a bit hurry. So over here, one thing I just want to tell you guys, that when you're doing this, sometimes like you're just muting, but you see when they proceed forward with the song, they kind of add a slap. How I'm slapping, I'm just putting my thumb on the string. That's how I'm slapping. So instead of doing a mute, you can actually slap. So that's it. A lot of information, a lot of technique you just learned in this song. And see you guys back in my next tutorial. Bye.